Imagine spending hours doing back-breaking farm work, only to see a machine do it faster, easier, and better. At first, farmers couldn't believe what they were seeing until they saw how these machines work. Today, we're diving into the world of Ingenious Farm Inventions, machines so smart, they're changing the way farming is done forever. From automated livestock handlers to self-driving feeding robots, these technologies are making farming more efficient, less stressful, and way more productive. Some of these machines look straight out of a sci-fi movie, but they're real, and they're being used by farmers right now. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see why these inventions are changing agriculture forever. The sheep loader. Handling sheep has always been a tough job. But what if you could do it without lifting a finger? Meet the sheep loader, a game-changing machine that eliminates the need for heavy lifting. This device uses compressed air to gently hold and rotate sheep, making it easier for farmers to shear wool, give medical care, or transport them. No stress, no injuries, just fast, effortless handling. Hydraulic hoof care machine. Taking care of livestock's hooves is super important for their health, but it's also a back-breaking job. That's where the hydraulic hoof care machine steps in. Instead of wrestling with animals, farmers can now gently lift and secure them with hydraulic controls. The system holds the cow in place, allowing for quick, stress-free hoof trimming with precise adjustments. Less effort for farmers, less stress for animals. Automated parasite treatment. Parasites are a huge problem for livestock, causing diseases and lowering productivity. The solution? This automated parasite treatment system. It's completely mobile, meaning it can be taken anywhere on the farm. Farmers simply guide the sheep through, and the system automatically sprays a special parasite-killing solution. The result? Healthier sheep, better wool, and improved productivity, without the hassle of manual treatments. Livestock handling has never been this easy, but wait until you see what's next. From smart feeding systems to self-driving farm robots, these inventions are taking farm efficiency to a whole new level. Feed mixer machine. Feeding livestock isn't just about tossing hay around. Animals need a balanced diet to stay healthy and productive. That's where the feed mixer machine comes in. This machine can cut and mix everything from silage to round bales and even square bales. It ensures consistent nutrition by blending feed of different textures and types, so your animals get the best mix every time. Self-driving straw blower robot. Keeping livestock comfortable is key to their health, and fresh bedding is a big part of that. But manually spreading straws is time-consuming, so why not let a robot do it for you? This self-driving straw blower moves through the barn on its own, spreading straw evenly without any human help. It ensures animals have clean, comfortable bedding at all times, reducing labor and improving farm efficiency. Automated milking system. Milking can be a stressful process for both cows and farmers. Enter the automated milking system, a technology designed to reduce stress and boost productivity. This system allows multiple cows to be milked simultaneously in parallel rows. It's ergonomically designed so milkers can work comfortably, and it ensures hygienic conditions for higher quality milk. Plus, it cuts down on labor costs, giving farmers more time to focus on other tasks. Feeding and caring for animals has never been easier or more efficient. But wait until you see the innovative ways farmers are training and rehabilitating their animals. Up next, cutting-edge animal care technology that will blow your mind. AquaTrainer for horses. Did you know that horses can train underwater? The AquaTrainer is a high-tech treadmill that uses water resistance to help horses recover from injuries and build muscle strength safely. As the horse walks against the water's pressure, it engages more muscles while reducing strain on its joints. The best part? The speed and water depth can be adjusted to create a custom workout for each horse. Spray race pest control system. Nobody likes pests, especially livestock. Instead of manually spraying each animal, the spray race pest control system does it automatically. It's a walk-through tunnel where animals move through at their own pace, reducing stress. The machine evenly sprays pest control solutions, protecting livestock without unnecessary handling or discomfort. Chicken catching machine. If you've ever tried catching chickens by hand, you know it's chaotic. But what if a machine could do it, safely and without stress? The chicken catching machine uses a series of soft, rotating drums to gently lift chickens onto a conveyor belt, where they're carefully placed into transport crates. No panic, no injuries, just efficient, humane handling. Technology isn't just making farm work easier, it's also improving animal health and well-being. But did you know genetics play a huge role in farming success? Up next, the smartest breeding programs and livestock innovations that are changing the industry. The Asaf sheep. Meet the Asaf sheep, a breed that's transforming dairy farming. These sheep are specially bred for high milk yield and quality meat, making them one of the most valuable livestock choices for farmers worldwide. In Spain, breeders are using advanced genetic selection to improve the Asaf breed even further. By tracking milk production, health, and genetic potential, they're ensuring that every new generation is stronger, healthier, and more productive. FarmQuip. Handling livestock isn't just about feeding and milking, it's also about smart management. That's where FarmQuip comes in. FarmQuip provides customizable modular systems for cattle breeding, allowing farmers to separate, sort, and treat animals quickly and efficiently. Their high-tech fences, chutes, and transport systems make livestock care safer and easier for both farmers and animals. Genetic optimization for healthy livestock. Modern farming isn't just about machines, it's about science. Farmers are now using genetic optimization to breed animals that are stronger, healthier, and more resistant to disease. By carefully selecting top-performing animals, scientists can ensure that future generations of livestock are more productive and require less medical treatment. This means better food production, lower costs, and healthier animals. Breeding smarter means farming smarter. But what if we told you that some farms are now fully automated? Up next, the most advanced robotic farm systems that are making agriculture more efficient than ever. Autonomous robots for livestock care. Imagine a farm where robots take care of the animals. Well, that's not science fiction anymore. Autonomous livestock robots are already here. These high-tech robots can monitor animal health, distribute feed, and even clean barns, all without human intervention. Equipped with AI and sensors, they detect signs of illness, ensuring animals receive immediate care when needed. Drone technology for smart farming. Keeping an eye on hundreds of animals spread across acres of land can be tough, but not if you have drones. Modern farmers use agricultural drones to track livestock movement, monitor grazing areas, and even detect injuries from the air. With thermal imaging and AI-powered tracking, these drones provide real-time updates, making farm management faster and more precise. The future of farming. So what does the future of farming look like? Picture this: fully automated feeding, AI-powered health monitoring, robotic milking, and drone-assisted field management, all working together seamlessly. With these innovations, farms are becoming more sustainable, more productive, and less labor-intensive. And as technology continues to evolve, we're heading toward an era where smart farms run almost entirely on automation. The future of farming is happening right now, and these incredible machines are just the beginning. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the most ingenious farm inventions, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content on farming, technology, and innovation. Do you have a favorite invention from this video? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to see more groundbreaking tech in action, check out our next video, linked right here.